Tall Tom, the giant of our class. Tom was the tallest kid in our class. No, seriously. He was so tall that even the teacher had to look up at him. One time, a bird mistook his head for a tree and tried to build a nest there. Okay, maybe not, but he was really tall. One day, our teacher decided to play a game called Reach High. The rules were simple. Whoever could reach the highest would win a prize, a giant chocolate bar. All the kids lined up and got ready to jump. Tim jumped first, no chance. Lisa stretched her arms as much as she could, still no luck. Even Sam, who stood on a pile of books, failed. Then Tom smiled and raised his hand even higher. The whole class groaned. "That's not fair, Tom." The teacher shook her head and said, maybe I should play too." She stepped onto a chair, then a desk, then a ladder, but Tom laughed and lifted his hand again. At this point, we had no choice. We grabbed balloons, a trampoline, and even a drone, just kidding, but we thought about it. Suddenly, little Mia ran forward with a secret plan. She tickled Tom's side. Tom burst into laughter and lowered his hand just enough. And Mia touched it. Mia won the game, and we all cheered. The teacher gave her the chocolate bar, but she shared it with the whole class. Even Tom. Moral of the story? No matter how tall someone is, teamwork, and a little tickling, can save the day.